Hello everyone. We have done with practical problem number 3 and 4 of chapter 2 of class 11th based on accounting equations. Now we'll solve the practical problem number 5 based on accounting equation of chapter 2. So let's see the question. Show the accounting equations for the following transactions. And the transaction says Mr. Rohit started business with cash rupees 50,000. For the solution, our presentation will be in the tabular form. As we know the equation that asset equals to liability plus capital. So let's start with the first transaction. I'll write the transaction here. Rohit started business with cash rupees 50,000. So here the business is started with cash. It means asset increases. So I'll write asset 50,000 rupees in the assets column. And when the business started, it is nothing but capital. Means the amount with which the business started, it is called as capital. So 50,000 will be the capital. Liability is 0 in this transaction. Keep this equal to and plus as it is. Now after drawing a line, I'll take this amount here down. 50,000 equal to 0 plus 50,000. Now let's start with the second transaction, that is bought goods on credit from Manoj rupees 6,000. So I'll write the transaction in the transactions column. Bought goods on credit from Manoj rupees 6,000. The transaction is based on credit. It means it will increase the liability. So liability increases by 6,000 and the goods are bought in. It means it has increased assets. So add 6,000. Capital is 0 in this transaction. Keep this equal and plus asset as it is. Drawing a line, take the total. The total will be 50 plus 6,000, 56,000. 0 plus 6,000, 6,000, and 50 plus 0 is 50,000. Now keep this equal and plus as it is. Check your equation equals to the right hand side and the left hand side. The left hand side is 56,000. Here 50,000 plus 6,000 will be 56,000. It means right hand side and left hand side is equal. Go for the further question for the transaction, the third one, and it says cash purchases rupees 5,000. So write it down. Cash purchases rupees 5,000. It means the goods are purchased on cash basis. It means the goods are coming in. It is increasing the asset and cash is going out. Cash is going out, reduction in asset of 5,000, and goods are coming in, addition of asset of 5,000. Liability is 0, capital is 0. This equals to and plus will be as it is. Drawing a line, we'll take the total now. Take the total, 56,000 minus 5,000. It will be 51,000. Again add 5,000, 56,000. So 56,000 equals to 6,000 plus 0 is 6,000 plus 50,000 plus 0 is 50,000. So again check the right hand side and the left hand side. It will be equal. Go for the fourth one. Paid wages of 3,000 for casual labor. Paid wages of rupees 3,000 for casual labor. It is paid. Whatever is paid, it is expense and it is deducted out of the capital. It will also reduce the asset balance. So less 3,000 from asset and less 3,000 from capital. The liability will be 0. Keep this equal and plus as it is. After a line, take the total. 56 minus 3 will be 53,000 equals to 6,000 will be as it is. This plus will be as it is. 50,000 minus 3,000 will be 47,000. Write down the next transaction, that is fifth one. Sold goods to Santosh rupees 7,000 on credit. Write it down. Sold goods to Santosh rupees 7,000 on credit. Again, the transaction is based on credit. It means it will increase the liability by 7,000. So add, sorry, this is the sold transaction. When we sell something on credit, it does not increases all liability. So the goods are sold, it means the goods are going out, reduction in the asset, and it is sold on credit, the cash will come in. Okay, so add 7,000 rupees and less 7,000 rupees. Liability will be 0 in this transaction, capital will also be 0 in this transaction. Keep this equal and plus as it is. You can compare this sold goods on credit and bought goods on credit transactions. Whenever the goods are bought, it means purchased, it will increase our liability, but the goods are sold on credit, it will not increase our liability, but instead the goods are going out, minus 7,000, and goods and the cash for the goods sold will come in, that is plus 7,000. Now take the total. The amount which is added will also be deducted, so this 53,000 will remain as it is. This 53,000 equals to 6,000 plus 0 is 6,000 plus 47,000 plus 0 is 47,000. Go for the sixth transaction now. Receive commission rupees 1,000 from Vaishali. Write it down here. Received commission rupees 1,000 from Vaishali. So the commission is received, it means it is income, cash comes in, it will added to the asset, it will be added to the asset. Add 1,000, it also increases the amount of capital, so plus 1,000 in capitals column. Here in this question, in this transaction, the liability is 0. Keep this equal and plus as it is. Now draw the line and take the total. 53,000 plus 1,000 is 54,000 equals to 6,000 plus 0 is 6,000 and plus 47,000 plus 1,000 is 48,000. Now check the right hand side of equal and left hand side of equal. Left hand side is 54, right hand side 48,000 plus 6,000 will be 54,000 only. So this is our last transaction. Write it down as total. So that's it about the solution of practical problem number 5. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.